Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Grad Studies Academy. Just thought I'd do a short little video about the channel and to introduce myself. I know in the last couple of videos that it's been kind of brief, and so I wanted to share that's kind of the story behind the whole thing and why I'm doing the channel. Well, I wanted to do the channel as just a way to I'll share some tips and strategies that I used to finish my master's degree and my doctoral degree, and also just over the years working with grad students that I happen to do. That just a lot of questions that I've seen over and over again about things like, how do I manage my time? How do I set up my filing system? And what about formatting a paper? All these different things like that. And I found that I made these systems, and whether there's templates for using Turabian, and now working in different programs such as nursing, templates for research papers using APA, and that sort of thing. So how to make it um, helpful for students and a way to share that knowledge and through YouTube and see how the channel goes, but also as a resource for people who are those you may be looking online. How do I do a template, set up a research paper using Turabian format? Taking my Master's of Theological Studies, and you read a syllabus and it tells you, or I have to read the whole Turabian book. But I want to just share, here's some tips on how to, what to do to get that set up for you. And that once you have it in place, you just, not quite plug and play, but almost got the template. I'm a fan of templates and that sort of thing. And also my journey of just grad studies. Did my master's in theological studies when I was in my 30s, fairly newly married, no kids. And then my doctorate, I worked on a PhD, which didn't end so well. I did that for 4 years, but learned a lot of skills and a lot of things on that. And I did my doctorate of ministry in my 40s and married and had a young daughter. So I managed to get it done in 2.5 years. And so I just want to share some of those systems that helped me get through. A lot of it just relates to sitting in a chair half the time and doing the work, discipline, grit, but also having systems in place, what to look for, like in my earlier video talking about having the end in mind and that sort of thing, and going from there. And because there's times when the dips go down and I just wanted to give up. So I'll also talk about kind of supports you need in place. But ultimately, that's what this channel is about. I'm glad you can join. If you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome. And I also have plans to set up digital resources that could be available. If you subscribe down below, there'll be a freebie on just a productivity organization system, how to set up your file management for when you start the program. And you can see that video is coming up. And also just, I want to have different templates, like thinking about doing an audit, a research paper audit, to review papers and just to give like a feedback on, are you missing citations? How's the format? Do you meet Turabian, APA? And with the checklist, kind of like not quite proofreading. It's a level of just formatting, checking, because when you submit a paper that doesn't follow those formats, Turabian or APA, the professors know, and you can lose valuable marks that way. So keep a lookout for those, and thanks for watching.